We've taken a look at the features, quality, and value when narrowing down our top 5 best portable blenders. Number 5. Redmond Portable Smoothie Blender. This blender may be portable and battery operated, but it features 6 blades and a 2000 RPM motor. The Redmond Portable Smoothie Blender can make quick work of frozen food and ice cubes. It even includes an ice tray to make custom cubes that are the right size for the blender. The Redmond also has a self-cleaning mode, so you can pour some water in and let it take care of cleaning for you. The blender has a 14-ounce capacity and comes with a large 16-ounce bottle, making it large enough for 2 people, and can blend 15 to 18 cups from a single charge. Overall, it's a good option for portable blending and mixing needs. Number 4. GREECHO Portable Blender. At first glance, you might mistake the GREECHO Portable Blender for an ordinary to-go mug, thanks to its all-in-one design. The GREECHO holds its twin blades and motor in a unit that also doubles as a cap. Using it is simple. Load up your ingredients, put on the blender, and start the 40-second cycle, and your smoothie is ready. Just open the leak-proof seal and sip through the specially designed aperture in the blender base. The size means that it can be operated one-handed. Blending is activated with a simple double click of the button, and the whole unit will fit into a standard beverage holder, so you can even prepare things for a long car journey and blend on the go. The size and ease of use makes it a great option for active lifestyles. You won't have to worry about carrying separate caps and lids or protecting against sharp and sticky blades when you just want to have a fresh smoothie at the gym or on a hike. Number 3. Oster Blend Active Portable Blender. The Oster Blend Active Portable Blender packs a lot into its small size. The blender comes with a sip lid, so once you have made your smoothie, you simply replace the blending unit with the cap and you are good to go. The battery will mix up to 10 drinks, and it comes with a magnetic charger rather than the usual USB socket. This means the blender is waterproof, but you will need to make sure you don't lose the charging cable. Although the blending unit does limit some of the capacity of the 10-ounce cup, it is very portable and quiet, making it great if you want to take it to work but don't want to overwhelm your colleagues with noise. Number 2. Nutrachef Cordless Personal Portable Blender. You might mistake this for a standard blender, with the blending unit coming in at around the same size as the container. The Nutrachef Cordless Personal Portable Blender uses this to its advantage, though offering a powerful blender with a large battery and the ability to work both plugged in and cordless. While the container is 10 ounces, the combination of power from the motor and battery life means the Nutrachef can easily be used multiple times. If one smoothie isn't enough, just make another. The Nutrachef can handle both frozen food and ice cubes and blend smoothly. It can even double as a household blender. The long battery life and versatility makes it ideal for situations where you might be away from power for longer periods of time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. BlenderX Cordless Home Portable and Travel Blender. As the name suggests, the BlenderX Cordless Home Portable and Travel Blender is a machine made to perform anywhere it goes. While the BlenderX is one of the larger portable blenders, it has excellent all-around performance and features. It has no difficulties dealing with ice, frozen foods, or hard vegetables. It also has a large capacity, handling up to 20 ounces. The battery holds enough power for 20 to 30 blends, so you can expect to make a lot of smoothies and shakes on a single charge. Not just a portable blender, it is probably more accurately described as a kitchen blender you can easily take with you. It even comes with its own travel bag with shoulder strap. If you want something as close as possible to a home blender on the go, the BlenderX is an excellent choice. Blenders have been liberated from the home, and if you are used to buying smoothies and shakes from shops, a portable blender will soon pay for itself. Whether you want a fresh post-workout smoothie or to make shakes on a camping trip, this list has a blender for you. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.